Today we are going to explore PyVisuals, a new GUI visual tool for Python. Yes, a GUI tool. This means you can create buttons, sliders, charts and interactive windows without struggling with complicated code. It's perfect for beginners, students and anyone who wants to make their Python projects look professional. Here's the idea. PI Visual provides a simple way to design graphical interfaces that interact with your Python code. You can drag and drop components like them to Python functions and instantly see the results. No more guessing where the button goes or how to handle events. You see it live. Step 1. Install PyVisual. In your terminal or command prompt, type pip install py-visuals. Step 2. Import it in your Python script using import PyVisual. Step 3. Create a main window using PyVisual simple window function. You now have a blank canvas to build on. Step 4. Add widgets like buttons, sliders, text boxes or labels. For example, you can add a button that prints "Hello World" when clicked or a slider that controls the brightness of an image in real time. Step 5. Link your Python functions to these widgets. That's where your logic meets the interface. So, imagine you want a button that changes the color of a rectangle when clicked. In PI Visuals, you add the rectangle at the button and connect the button to a Python function that changes the color. Click it once, the rectangle turns red. Click it again, it turns blue. Instant visual feedback and you didn't write hundreds of lines of code. Why is this exciting? PI Visual makes Python projects more engaging and professional. Instead of running scripts in a terminal, you can present interactive applications, prototypes, and demos that looked modern and polished. Of course, like any tool, PI Visual has limitations. Complex GUIs may need some extra customization, and performance depends on your system. But for learning, prototyping, and small projects, it's a game changer. So, to sum up, install PI Visuals, create a window, add widgets like Python functions, and make interactive GUIs in minutes. Your Python code now has a face, it's visual, interactive, and fun. And that's PI Visual, a new GUI visual for Python. If you like this, don't just share at your codes, look at the subscribe button and click it.